I'm moving. I spent $2,000 to make my room go from this to this. So keep watching to see the satisfying transformation. I'm moving next door. Well, more like next room door.
Huh?
A family member moved out of this room. Now I have this room all to myself. It's much bigger than the other room, so I was for sure moving over to this room. I have outgrown that room so much, and I've just been needing something to spark my creativity. Moving over to this room and completely making it over sounded like the right thing to do. So in this video, I'm going to be painting, putting on wallpaper, shopping at IKEA. It's currently Thursday, and I want to get this done by Sunday. And I'm taking you guys along with me. First, I want to put the wallpaper on this green wall. I hate the colors that they painted in the rooms in this house. White brick wallpaper that I have in the other room. I loved it so much that I said, I'm definitely putting it in this room. I started it, accidentally ordered only one row. Placed an order yesterday, and today the Amazon package came in, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm so excited. I feel like once this is up, this is really gonna shift how the room looks. I need to take a before. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? How do you do a room makeover without taking a before video? I am not a professional whatsoever. I'm a 22-year-old girl who was depressed and needs something to be happy. So I'm gonna put this wallpaper up the best way I can.
A few moments later.
Oh, Lord have mercy. They drained me.
My mom, she came and helped finish the tops of the walls. Now, just have to finish the wallpaper. I already did another order, so should be here in the morning. Then I'll be able to finish that and then add the LED lights. Current state of the room, she is coming together. This is my room. Acts like you guys do not see that block of wallpaper that's not there. I did not have enough to finish. I am actually not going to get more wallpaper.
What? Oh, hell no! That's hell no!
I'm just gonna try to cover that up with some furniture because there's no way I'm getting wallpaper just for that little block of wall. It's so annoying. I literally made 3 orders for wallpaper and it still wasn't enough, which is insane. But the room looks pretty good. It's all white. Kinda all white, but I'm loving it. So tonight I'm gonna put the LED lights up, and then tomorrow me and my mom we're gonna go to IKEA and hopefully get some furniture so that I can start to move everything into this room by tomorrow or Sunday. So let's get into putting the LED lights up though. At Rooms to Go.
Gang, gang.
Looking for a dresser,
Maybe
mainly
a
a dresser. Oh yes, maybe a bed. Yes, IKEA bed actually. Yeah, a little longer. That size not terrible though. What size is that? It looks like a full, right? That doesn't seem a little wider to you? You guys, I think I'm gonna go with this bed. I'm gonna stick with the twin just so I can really maximize my space, especially when it comes to filming. It said wash white, but it was like 500.
You like that one? We ain't lay down on the other ones. Try this one. That one looks like it's comfortable. Yeah.
What I'm here for. It's right here.
No, you have to hit start first.
limey. This is the dresser, you guys. It looks so freaking good. I'm obsessed. It has that sleek look that I want. Deep, has enough space. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna finally have enough space for all of my clothes. The room just is starting to like really come together. Like even like just like the curtains, like the little curtains in the back, the sunlight coming in. Wow, I'm loving this so much. Now I can start making space for stuff to come in here. I can start moving some of my stuff into this room, which is crazy. You guys, like, this is so freaking exciting. I was listening to Mel Robbins' podcast, something about energies and working with your brain, like when you feel like your brain is fighting against you, how you can navigate that. And she basically said, like, your brain is so smart. Your brain is like a dog, you know, when it's bored, it tears up your house, it chews on your shoes, it poops, it's just bored. So when your brain doesn't have something to work on, it focuses that energy on itself. And I know for like a few weeks, I really felt just like down. I just felt like I wasn't where I wanted to be in life and I wasn't being productive. And then I listened to that podcast and I'm like, oh my gosh, I just need to pick up a project. I need to pick up a hobby. I need to craft something. I need to be doing something creative, especially because I'm so artistic. So I was like, oh yeah, it's time to get into this room. So immediately got the wallpaper, immediately got the LED lights, got this. And I feel much better being able to actually take some action. I'm gonna go film another video though. I'm really productive. Like, I'm feeling so inspired right now. I'm on a roll. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you can see all of the videos that I make. You're not gonna want to miss them. But yeah, I will see you guys when I am starting to move stuff in, all of that good stuff. I'm saying goodbye to this room. I've already moved my clothing rack out. Now I'm about to move everything else. It's gonna be so different. It's gonna be a new era. I'm so freaking excited. I've been waiting for this. This has been my room since 2020. Yes, I moved to Florida and I went to college for a little bit, but this has been my room for 5 years. So I'm very excited for a change. I'm about to move everything over right here, right now. Did all of this in just a few hours. I got home from going out around like 6 o'clock and now it's like close to 2 a.m. So even then, like, I came home and still even lollygagged a little bit. Like, I edited, so it was less than 8 hours I did all this. So I will see you guys once I get my bed frame, once everything is organized and perfect. I am so happy. I feel like everything is kind of worked out perfectly. Like, it's my same room, just upgraded. Like, this is kind of perfect. So I will see you in like a few seconds when I'm ready to give you guys the full new room makeover tour. Here to interrupt the best video you've ever seen. I am currently in my new room eating my mint chocolate chip gelato. My air purifier is blaring, the ceiling fan is on, I'm in my cleanly washed pajamas. I am so grateful right now. I just hope that things continue to go up for me and continue to grow. Just here to say, like, don't give up. Usually it's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Even if it's a little light, it's enough to get you through the next tunnel, and then the next tunnel, and then the next tunnel. You just have to simply keep going, So yeah, back to the video. Y'all, I am in New York City filming this outro, but I just wanted to show y'all the full tour of my room with the bed. It is so nice, you guys. I love my room. It looks so good. It's so bright. It is such an upgrade from my previous room. It's literally like the same room, just with a little furniture and a better bed and a better feng shui and a better organization and everything. It is just perfect. I love this room so much. It's so bright. It's so white. I feel like my previous room was super dark, but this room is so bright. It's so inspiring. I wake up at 8 a.m. in this room. Like, I have a morning routine. I can actually move around my room and feel productive. Like, I love my new room so much. This transformation was so worth it. $2,000 well spent. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This transformation was so fun. Literally got me out of a rut. Like, maybe I need to be an interior designer or something, because this really like scratched a part of my brain. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this transformation, and I would subscribe so that you guys don't miss all the cool videos that I'm gonna be filming in this new room. Videos are gonna be really good. Like, I have a feeling, and I already have some stuff cooking up. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, do all that stuff. Like, comment, share, all of that stuff. So I will see you in the next video. I know that I'm already gonna see you next week, same time. So yeah, bye.